Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Jeep Cherokee with a dead key fob. First, you will need to find the hidden mechanical key inside your key fob. This small key is essential for gaining entry. Once you have it, carefully insert it into the driver's side door lock cylinder. Turn the key to unlock the door manually. Now you can enter your vehicle and get ready for the next crucial step in starting your Jeep. With your key fob's battery dead, the vehicle cannot detect it normally. To overcome this, you need to place the key fob directly against the Start/Stop button on your dashboard. This specific placement allows the vehicle's passive entry system to read the fob's internal chip, even without battery power. It's a clever workaround designed for these exact situations, ensuring you can still get your Jeep running. Now that your key fob is in the correct position, it's time to start the engine. Make sure your foot is firmly pressing the brake pedal. While keeping the key fob pressed against the Start/Stop button, push the button to initiate the ignition sequence. You might need to hold the key fob against the button for a few seconds, typically 5 to 10 seconds, until the engine successfully turns over and starts. Congratulations, your Jeep Cherokee is now running. However, remember that this is a temporary solution. Your next immediate step should be to drive to a service center or an auto parts store. You will need to purchase a new CR2032 battery for your key fob. Replacing the dead battery will restore all the normal functions of your key fob, including remote locking and unlocking, for future convenience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.